Hey guys, what's up? This is Rakshak Saini, and today I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, which is pronounced as IT-ADDA. So, guys, from today we all are going on the journey of learning Python 3. So, from now, let's don't waste the time because time is money, time is so precious. Let's utilize our 10 minutes for getting some new knowledge on Python 3. As we know, this is the introduction part. So, we should know at the beginning what we are going to learn in this journey. So, let's take a look on that. We have variables, after that functions, statements, after that we will learn about tuples, list and dictionary, then conditions, modules and regex. This is regular expression. And after that, we will see file handling. And at last but not the least, we will be covering threading in this journey. And when complete this journey, we will be able to make Python programs. We will be able to understand Python programs. And using our logics, we will be able to create new logical codes. So, first question which comes in our mind, that is why Python. We have our first video which shows why we should go with Python 3. If you haven't watched it, I suggest you to stop here and watch that video first. And if you have seen that video, then you have the answer for the first question, that is why we should go with Python 3. Now let's find the answer for some other questions which comes in our mind, that is why what is Python and who makes it, and is it an open source language, and what do you mean by this word open source? So Python is an scripting language which is developed by Guido van Rossum. It was totally written in C language. Hey, stop, I have one question now, and that is, what is scripting language and what is programming language? What is the main difference between these two type of languages? I will be explaining the difference between both in another video. For now, let's see what is open source. If I read the definition, it is like the term open source refers to something people can modify and share because its design is publicly accessible. I don't understand it. Let me divide this and try to make you understand this. Open source, or I can say it like this: open plus source. Open means free to everyone. Source here means the code. So when we combine both, we get a definition like this: a written code which is free to everyone, and anyone can make any changes in that code to develop new code as per his requirements. Now let's see the example of an open source. We have Linux, Python, Apache Web Server, and many more. After that, we are ready to make our first code. So guys, let's try to make our first code and run it. So as we all know that our first code is always to print hello world. So let's start from there only. Print bracket start bracket close hello world, and then we get the output as hello world. Hey, are you kidding me? One line code and this is it. Guys, this print function we are using to show what we have stored in those brackets. Simple. Let's make this program differently in our next upcoming short video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Now just subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed it, and press the bell icon to stay updated with our channel, and press the like button. See you soon, guys. Stay healthy and keep smiling. Always be good on others. Thank you so much.